Welcome to the Love Hair Beauty channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a small knotless braid. You start by patting out the section you are going to braid on. Then you follow up with your edge control to smooth the hairs. After rubbing your edge control, you divide the hair into 3 parts. You braid the first one, then braid the second one before you start adding your attachment. When you add the attachment, you leave the one at the top, braid, then take it and put it under as if you are doing feeding cornrows. You braid again. You try to hide your hair. Braid. Use your engagement finger to hold the hair so it doesn't slip. You add another extension. Put it under. Put it under. Then you braid. Leave the one at the top like you're doing feeding braid. You put it under again. You braid. So this is how you are going to keep adding your extension until you get the size of braid you want. So we are going to try this a few more times, but first I will have to show you guys how to section your attachment before you start making small knotless braid, because sectioning your attachment is very important. So when making knotless braid, whether small or large jumbo knotless braid, you have to section your hair into 5 pieces. The small one should be tiny, but the second one you're going to add small attachments to it, as you can see in the video. The third one should be the same size with the second one. Why the first one should be tiny? It's just to create that tiny look and the beginning of your braid. So followed up with the 4th one and the 5th one. I kept the first attachment on top of the hair. So let's try out for the second time. Make sure to rub your edge control to smooth the hair first. Then you divide it into 3 parts. You braid the second one. Then you start adding your attachments. You put it under like you're doing feeding braid. You braid. You add your attachments again. Make sure to use your engagement finger to hold the hair so it doesn't slip. Then your knotless braid is not going to look beautiful. You braid. Put it under. That's the second attachment. You add the third one. So we are going to do the third one. I'm going to braid all the hairs you are seeing. So I'm going to stop talking and allow you guys to enjoy the video. Watch to the end. Watch very carefully and closely. I'm sure you're going to grab. And when you try out this my method, please come back to my channel and give me a review about it, okay? So guys, enjoy the video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, okay? share in this video. I hope you learned how to do tiny knotless braid. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and please press the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that if there's any post from my channel, you will get notified. In my next video, I'm going to drop this braided wig tutorial. So guys, bye.